I'm joined today with Melissa Chee, who is the CEO of ventureLAB, located in York Region, City of Markham. Melissa, why don't you first introduce ventureLAB to the audience?
Sure. Thanks for having me. ventureLAB is a leading tech incubator. We're part of the Ontario network. We're based inside and headquartered in Markham. We run a 50,000 square foot accelerator space, but we serve entrepreneurs and scale-up companies from across the York region. As we know, York Region is a thriving tech ecosystem, particularly with the 4,300 ICT companies. We're actually Canada's densest concentration of those companies, so it's really exciting to be here.
Amazing. And so here you are at this massive technology show. Why are you here and who are you hoping to connect with?
You know, Canada as a nation has an amazing tech ecosystem, and I think it's a great kind of privilege for us to kind of all come together, showcase Canada's tech. ventureLAB supports more than 400 to 500 startups a year. We've seen about 2,000 entrepreneurs, and so we're really, really thrilled to be partnering with our Ontario and Canadian colleagues to really showcase what Canada Tech is all about.
Amazing. Now, if somebody at the show wants to connect and learn more about ventureLAB, what should they do?
You can visit us at www.venturelab.ca, or you can check us out on the Web Summit app.
Amazing. Thanks so much. Have an amazing show.
Thanks very much, Gord.